Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to change our content IP address because we change our hosting services. So we are going to change it. Now you see old record. So we are going to add our new IP address for new hosting server in Cloudflare. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So currently our website is not working because we changed our hosting server. So this is our old hosting server IP address. So we are going to add new. So you can change it easily. Now you see edit. So click on it. Now you see IP v4 address. So you can add your. So we add it and then click on save. Now save done. Now you see. So you can replace all old hosting IP address to new shared IP address, and after that your website will work because Cloudflare point to correct. So now we are going to check our website. Now open it. Now you see our website is working. So we change our IP address from old hosting to new hosting in Cloudflare, and our website is working fine. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.